Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create ETSY seller account. So make sure you follow my tip till the end. First of all, you need to search for the ETSY seller login in Google. And now right after that, you will be able to see a link at top sign-in screen where you need to click on that link, and now you will be redirected to the official page of the ETSY where you can see the sign-in option at the top right corner of this browser. So simply click on that sign in option, and now you can see the register option at the top right corner of this section. So once you click on it, you can see it is asking us for our email address, first name, and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply click on register and you'll be able to create your ETSY seller account successfully. And if you scroll a little bit down, now you can see there is three login option as well, where you can see continue with Google, and you can also continue with Facebook and Apple as well. So in my case, I'm gonna continue with Google for now. So let me click on the continue with Google button, and now let me choose any of the account to show you a demo, and now continue. And yeah, you will be able to create your ETSY seller account successfully. So basically this is how you can create your ETSY seller account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.